I want to talk with you a little bit about how to get the most out of this process as you go through it. Going to the sessions, participating, and listening to the ideas and concepts and interacting, debriefing, talking about them is really important. But applying the ideas between the sessions through this process is really critical. I wanted to walk through a couple of the key elements of the process so you know exactly how to use it. The first is the My Quest button. At the top of your screen there, you'll see My Quest. That's the opportunity for you to take each level that relates to each session and work through missions that are customized to help you apply the ideas most effectively. Do those missions consistently. It'll help you think about the ideas and incorporate them into what you do on a consistent basis. As you complete some of the missions, you'll see one of the other elements in this process, and that is habits. Habits are some of the unique things in this process that allow you to deeply engage in critical behaviors that are valuable to you. There are just a few habits that you'll work on, but you'll work on them throughout the entire process, and there's a method to keep track of how often you're engaging in the habit, so it gives you direct and specific feedback. Next, you'll have an opportunity to access your facilitator through one-on-one coaching. This is a chance to ask questions you might not have asked in the session, or to engage in issues that you run up against, or to clarify ideas throughout the process one-on-one with your facilitator. And the final piece is the community element. This is an opportunity to share ideas with the rest of the group that you're going through. You could talk about best practices, or maybe share clips or videos or anything else that you think is interesting and may have value to the rest of the group. Now remember, like anything else, you'll get out of this process what you put into it. It's really important that you start in the MyQuest system, engaging in the level right after the session, and start doing the missions right away. That affords you the opportunity to really work on the ideas and find ways that are valuable for you in the weeks between your face-to-face sessions. If you're ever unsure of where you are, just go to the top of the page, click on the My Quest, and that'll open up the mission that you've been working on. If you have any questions, interact with your facilitator one-on-one, or go back to interact with your administrator who sent you the original information, and they're there to help you as you go through this process. So remember, you get out of it what you put into it. Engage in MyQuest as you go through this process, completing levels and missions that'll help you apply it to what you do and get the outcomes that you're looking for. Thanks.